What's in my coffee bar? Itong cabinet ay nabili ko sa IKEA. Itong snake plant ay nabili ko sa Shoplift. This is the hay colored crate na nabili ko sa Design Story. These shelves are from IKEA. Pinaspray paint namin siya ng mustard, orange, and green. Itong work lamp na nakadikit sa wall ay nabili ko sa IKEA. Next is this dupe flower pot lamp na nabili ko lang for I think 500 pesos. This artwork is from Maru House and nabili ko siya sa Purveyor Fair 2024. This black cat artwork na nabili ko sa Wet Market by Zoe or Left by Zoe on Instagram. This is a mustard yellow knockbox that I also got online. This is a wooden tamper station that I also got online. This grinder is Eureka Mignon Specialita na nabili ko kay Makina Espresso MNL. This is Gemini 305E na nabili ko rin online.